Hi! In this video, I will show you how to create your first digital assistant. Now, if you haven't met, my name is Annie. I'm a tech consultant based in Stockholm. On my free time, I create YouTube videos. And for every YouTube video, I have to do keyword research to understand what you guys want to see in my videos. Next, I create introduction like this one. Those I have to do every single week, and they can take between 8 to 12 hours every week. What if we delegate this work to a digital assistant? Now, in this video, together we will create digital assistant. Let's get started. We will create Claude Skills to create digital assistant. But before we start creating the skills, let's try to understand what is a skill. For this reason, we will use an AI agent that I created using Claude's documentations. Let's ask a question to AI agent. Hey, please explain what is a skill in Claude.
I can tell you about Claude Skills. They are definitions that let your AI agent interact with external tools and APIs. These definitions include a name, a description, and a JSON schema for the inputs needed.
Okay, that makes sense. Thanks a lot for your help. We will log in into cloud.ai, and from there we will go to settings. Underneath capabilities, we have skills. And if we click on add button, we have different options. First option, create with Claude, build complex skills through conversation. Next option is create skill instructions, great for skills that are easy to describe. And the last option is upload a skill. For now, we will create skills using create with Claude. You can see that there is a default text saying, let's create a skill together using your skill creator skill. First, I want a skill to do a keyword research. So I will just delete this introduction and I will write, I want you to create a skill for doing YouTube and Google keyword research. For the current date, suggest 5 most search words and questions about AI agents, AI automations, and AI news. And then we will click on enter button. Now this can take a couple of minutes. First, it starts to read information about creating skills. And if you don't want to look into the screen, you can just click on notify me, which means that as soon as Claude has a decision, it will send you a notification. There are several things to remember about creating skills. The first one is try to create one skill per task. It should be very definable and specific. For example, you don't want to create one skill for creating introductions and for doing the keyword research. You want to create one skill per task. Yes, so we have a result right now. We can see that both the skill was created and also Claude used the skill to run the keyword research. First, let's go ahead and read the skill. So this is basically the skill. It is saved in markup file. You can see skills.md, which stands for markup file. And then we have the description describing the skill. Underneath that, we have the content, i.e. keyword research skill. The step 1, that is execute web research, which means that Claude will search internet for keywords. In the next step, it will extract the keywords and it will create a result for us. Next, it specifies topic-specific search queries because we specified that we want to get content about AI agents, AI automations, AI news, general AI. And that is what is involved also in this skill. Next, we have output requirements. It says that current date needs to be in the output, 5 keywords ranked by interest, 5 questions people are searching. And then we have content type recommendation. It can be short, long form, blogs. So this is exactly what we asked for. And I really want to make sure that it is using the date when I am using the skill so that I don't get all the information. And I will tell the Claude, please enter in the skill explicitly to use the date when the skill is being used. And then we will click on enter button. And once the skill is created, you will get this file. It is a downloadable file and you can see that it is called skills. We will go ahead and we'll download this skill first locally in our computer. And then after that, we have to upload the document in the cloud. We will just click on this button. Next, we will go to settings and we'll upload this skill into our cloud settings. And the reason that we need to do this is because next time when we are creating a YouTube video and we need to do the keyword research, Cloud can access this skill for doing the keyword research. So we will go to the settings, and from here, if we scroll down, we have capabilities on the left side, and if we go down, here we have add button and upload a skill, and from here we can just drag and drop, or we can just select the file as I do in here. Okay, the skill was uploaded and the name of the skill is IE Keyword Research. Now let's go back to our chat and try to use this skill. I will ask Claude, please find the most searched questions and keys in Google and YouTube. So you can see that I'm not specifying anything about the skill. Claude will understand that we already have a skill and will do the keyword research and will present for us. So here we have a result. We can see IE keyword. We have a document that is MDO marked document, and we can either download it or we can even read in Cloud. If we scroll up, we can see that the name of the document is IE Keyword Research, and then we have the date, that is today's date, so that is correct. Then we have top 15 IE keywords, and you can see that all of those keywords are ranked by exploding, high, and rising. If we scroll down, we can see that it came up with comprehensive keyword analysis. And in the end of this document, we even have the name of YouTube videos for long format and for the short format. Here you can see the ones for long format, you have the actual names. For example, IE Agent Explained, we have 10 of those. And then underneath that, we have YouTube short ideas. So we basically created a digital employee for us that can do keyword research every time we want to create a content. In the same way, you can go ahead and create other skills. Now, if you like this content, please like it and see you in the next video. Bye.